Well, we capped off the work week with a lot of sunshine, clear skies going into this evening as well, and that's allowing temperatures to absolutely tank. Here's where high temperatures stood this afternoon, made it up to 32 degrees in Lincoln. In southern Nebraska, that's where the warmest air was. In fact, the warm spots on the map were Ogallala and McCook, topping out at 33 degrees, but in northeast Nebraska, that's where the coolest air was. Norfolk topping out at 21 degrees, 19 degrees in O'Neill. We've cooled off since then. The clear skies have allowed us to cool off rather efficiently, sitting at 8 degrees right now in Lincoln, 15 degrees in Hebron. Most locations in southeast Nebraska, barring a couple of exceptions like Hebron, Hastings, and Kearney, have dropped into the single digits. It's 8 degrees again in Lincoln, 8 as well in Wahoo, 9 degrees the current temperature in Grand Island. Wind speeds are nowhere near as high as they were earlier this afternoon, and notice the wind direction as well, out of the north. That's an important direction because we will have a change to southerly winds by tomorrow morning, and wind speeds will continue to decrease in the overnight hours, making wind chills less of a factor. Granted, there will still be a wind chill, but it won't be quite as punishing as we've had on some mornings earlier this winter. Right now, the wind chill is -3 degrees in the capital city. So for tonight, I think actual air temperatures will bottom out right around 3 degrees again. I think we'll be a couple degrees below zero as far as feels like temperatures are concerned, but not dealing with -10, -20 degree wind chill values tomorrow morning. This low is nearly 25 degrees below average. Let's put this into perspective. Our forecast low is 3 degrees. Our average low is 27 degrees, so 24 degrees to be exact, degrees below the average low for this time of year. So by tomorrow morning, we'll have an area of high pressure off to our southeast, and on the western edge of this area of high pressure, winds will return out of the south. We will see southerly winds by tomorrow morning. We'll have southwesterly winds going into the afternoon, and you'll notice Stormcast keeps skies completely clear through a majority of the morning hours. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll be watching some clouds off to the north associated with the weak disturbance. I can't rule out a few of these clouds perhaps arriving in our field of view looking off to the north. Stormcast 7 o'clock tomorrow evening showing a couple of these clouds out towards Omaha, but the day will feature a lot more sun than it will clouds. All those clouds scoot off to the east overnight and into Sunday morning. We're waking up to clear skies on Sunday morning as well. So a lot of sunshine this weekend, mainly sunny on Saturday. We are turning warmer with highs getting into the 40s for your Saturday. Wind speeds could gust upwards of 30 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. So although wind speeds will decrease overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, they'll go right back up tomorrow afternoon. Again, wind gusts out of the south and southwest gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour at times. So you think the 43 degrees is warmer on Saturday? Try 66 degrees on Sunday. We'll have plenty of sunshine there. If you are planning any outdoor plans, Sunday is going to be the best day for any outdoor activities. And we're going to continue to remain warm going into next week as well. Maybe a slight hiccup on Monday, a few more clouds as a weak disturbance moves on by, but still just slightly above average. Temperatures climb back up into the 60s on Tuesday, near 70 degrees on Wednesday, and then we drop to the 50s, upper 50s and 60s. So you notice, aside from tomorrow, every other day out of the next 7 days is above this average high line here, which is in the 50s for this time of year. And in fact, days 8, 9, and 10 as well, those are also going to be above average. You'll notice that the 10-day outlook is mostly dry, with the one exception being Thursday and Friday. There's a small chance for a spotty shower there. These are going to be very isolated in scope, and I do think there's a chance that this storm system may miss us to our south entirely. So overall, not many great opportunities for rain and a very warm forecast. And another note I want to mention, Sunday, we enter daylight saving time, so make sure to set your clocks forward 1 hour tomorrow night. Also a good time to check the smoke detector batteries and